Welcome back to our channel. Today I want to show you how to cook Vietnamese Opo squash, 5 different styles. Wow. But first let me show you why I have Opo squash. It's from our wonderful neighbor, of course. They grow it from spring and now. In summer they harvest and share with us. They're so friendly and nice. OMG. It's super big, right? So Mom decided to make it into 5 dishes for us to enjoy it completely. So Mom cut it into 4 parts equally. The first part, Mom stir-fry it with eggs. So after peel the skin, slice it into thin slices. We also need to chop garlic and beat 4 eggs with 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Now hot wok oil in and garlic in. Now our squash in, give it a stir. And now just add 1 teaspoon seasoning. Now squash is halfway cooked. Pour in the eggs. Let the eggs set for a while before you stir. Cover it with a cap until cooked through. When it is done, turn off heat. Toss in coriander in. Season with black peppers. Our first dish is done. The second dish is Vietnamese Opo squash soup with shrimp. We need to slice it into thin slices, and so slice it the same as before. So yeah. Cook dried shrimps in a medium pot with rock sugar until boil. Put the squash in seasoning with seasoning powder. Turn off heat and add the cutted coriander. Now our second dish is ready. The third dish is stuffed Opo squash with fish cake. Because this squash is so big, Mom decided to cut into 4 parts. Use a spoon and take out the seeds, but do not throw it away because this squash is young. The inside part is still yummy. Now stuff the fish cake into the squash. I will put a link below for you to know how to make fish cake from tilapia. Now just stuff it in. It's a little messy at first, but don't worry, it's worth it. When it's done with stuffing, just steam those until they're cooked through around 10 minutes. Now we make the oyster sauce for the stuffed squash. In a hot pan, spill 1 tablespoon oil. Stir in garlic until turn little golden brown. Add 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons water, 3 tablespoons sugar, and let it boil. Did I say that too fast? Just rewind the video and you can hear it again. It's bubbling. To make it thicker, just stir in 1 teaspoon cornstarch with a little water. Pour in the sauce and let it boil again. And turn off the heat. When serving, just pour the oyster sauce over the stuffed squash. Our third dish is done. The fourth one is our leftover inside parts of the squash and fish cake, so we cook them into a soup too. Why not, right? Boiling water, scoop fish cake in. When all fish balls are floating in the water, it means they are cooked thoroughly. Seasoning with rock sugar and chicken powder. Now the fourth dish is ready. Wow. The fifth dish is just steamed squash with fermented bean curd. We are lucky to live in the wonderful neighborhood. That three sides of our house are people who love to grow homegrown garden. Like this one, the passion fruits. It's belonged to our left side neighbor, but it came over to mine, and have lots of fruits and flowers. So beautiful, right? We are lucky, right? Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy our daily foods as we do. See you next time. Bye!